Dr. Jeff, Rocky Mountain vet, entertained fans for over 7 years on Animal Planet. The show's lead, Dr. Jeff Young, and his team worked on some of the wildest cases of animals in their Planned Pethood International, and fans loved Dr. Jeff's genuine dedication and hard work. His passion for treating animals and giving them better lives captivated audiences for many years. Although the show is no longer airing on Animal Planet, Dr. Jeff hasn't stopped doing his job behind the camera. Recently, he made a video on his YouTube channel and talked about some of the major issues he has been seeing lately in the world of veterinary medicine. Dr. Jeff seemed pretty frustrated with how the big industries were focusing on making money from veterinary medicine instead of treating animals at an affordable cost. He noted that Wall Street had invested in veterinary medicine and clarified that there was nothing wrong with it. However, the problem started when the shareholders wanted profit from their investments, which forced the veterinary clinics to raise their costs. As a result, the entire cost of treating animals increased, which Dr. Jeff feels isn't good for society. In the video, Dr. Jeff shared an article published by the Boca Foundation and noted that 40% of people living in the United States can only afford veterinary services, which means the majority of animals lack basic veterinary services in the USA, which is a sad thing. Dr. Jeff noted that big industries were hiring vet graduates by paying them a really good amount of money, which made it hard for nonprofit organizations to compete with them. In fact, clinics like that of Dr. Jeff's cannot compete with big companies as they cannot provide such a huge salary to the vet graduates. This resulted in a lack of manpower in the nonprofit organization and ultimately affected the entire society. Dr. Jeff clarified that vet services should be made affordable so that every pet owner can treat their animals and give them a better life. But if the price goes up, the owner might not want to keep a pet in their house. In fact, there are many cases where the big hospitals are forcing animals to be euthanized due to lack of capital. A situation like this has arisen because the cost of treating animals has gone up. At last, Dr. Jeff requested his viewers to donate their money to some good groups like the Boca Foundation, who actually work to make changes in society. He shared that the Boca Foundation was on a mission to establish 2 full-service surgical hospitals in every state across the country and will help people get those services at an affordable cost. He also shared that he would help them personally through his work and his hospital as they were working for the betterment of animals. Quick facts. Early career and vision. Dr. Jeff Young graduated from the Colorado State University College of Veterinary Medicine in 1989. He quickly recognized a need for affordable spay and neuter services to help control the pet population, which led him to establish his own clinic, Planned Pethood Plus, in Denver, Colorado. Television debut. Dr. Jeff's commitment to animal care and charismatic personality caught the attention of Animal Planet, leading to the premiere of his reality TV show, Dr. Jeff, Rocky Mountain Vet, in 2015. The show provides an inside look at his busy practice and his efforts to offer low-cost animal care. Major surgery. In 2016, Dr. Jeff publicly battled cancer, undergoing surgery to remove a tumor. His health struggles were featured on his show, highlighting his resilience and dedication as he returned to work shortly after his operation. Global impact. Beyond his clinic in Colorado, Dr. Jeff has also been involved in international animal welfare. He has traveled extensively to conduct volunteer spay and neuter clinics in countries such as Mexico and Romania, spreading his philosophy of affordable veterinary care worldwide. Educational influence. Dr. Jeff is not only a practitioner, but also an educator who has trained over 300 veterinarians. His clinic serves as a teaching facility where new vets can learn surgical techniques and benefit from his vast experience in animal healthcare.